Drone technology has evolved rapidly over the past decade. What was once a niche consumer hobby has become a trusted technology and an essential advantage for commercial and government entities around the world. DJI has developed a new hardware and software solution that allows government agencies to confidently use drone technology while keeping in accordance with stringent IT and data security requirements. We call it DJI Government Edition.
It actually allows us to tell our clients that all of their telemetry data, meaning where the drone is flying, is stored securely and not shared with anyone but them.
To government clients, data security is everything. They care greatly about the data that's captured on the drone itself, where it is downloaded, where it's to be managed and stored.
In developing a new solution for government use, the drone itself does not require activation with DJI and is shipped with custom firmware. This firmware prevents inadvertent or malicious data breaches by ensuring drones and their remote controllers will not pair with off-the-shelf components. A custom DJI Pilot Flight Control app has also been modified to permanently enable local data mode. This feature ensures data security by preventing any connection from the app to DJI servers.
Having Government Edition will allow us more control over that process, so avoiding automatic firmware updates that can potentially impact our operational schedule is important. It's also important to government customers.
Allowing the government to test their own firmware and navigate that directly is important because I think it fits into their overall protocol and compliance.
Have their IT security department screen the software before it goes onto the fleets. Once people start utilizing the technology, they want to infuse it as a whole into their organization.
The ability to collect high-quality imagery everywhere, anywhere, I think is going to be very attractive for our customers and for government.
With this new Government Edition, we are addressing many of the challenges that off-the-shelf drone technology has presented, and it will allow governments and enterprises of all sizes and complexities to harness the true power of drone technology.